Do you have a history where you might have had a criminality issue, been charged and convicted of a crime that makes you inadmissible to Canada? If so, we can help you here at Ackah Business Immigration Law. We get asked very regularly about this issue, and there's never any judgment. Things happen in people's lives when they're younger or under different circumstances, and they have changed. And so when I get called by an executive, a professional who needs to come to Canada, even a lot of times, a lot of artists who are on tour and they need to get into Canada, we are here to help with that. Oftentimes, depending on the timing, we can help you do a temporary resident permit application and seek that special permission for you to enter, whether it's a one-time entrance or over a year or two because you have a compelling reason to be in Canada. It's not often just for tourism, but for business, for work, for tours, things like that. The other thing is, if enough time has passed, usually it's 10 years or more, since everything has been completed with the criminal conviction, probation has finished, you've met all the terms, you also have the option of applying for full criminal rehabilitation. This is when it essentially means that the criminal inadmissibility goes away. We recommend for our clients we do both if they're eligible. You do the TRP so you can come in for that initial year or 2 years while the criminal rehabilitation is also processing. And that usually can take up to 2 years. And depending on the severity or seriousness of the convictions and what your activity was, we have a very high success rate, but sometimes it can be so serious that the immigration minister will not approve it. So we always want to review all of the criminality in advance to make sure that you have a good chance of getting the goal of having full criminal inadmissibility removed so you can come to Canada as a tourist, as a business visitor, as a worker in the future as much as you want without worrying about getting over the border. So if you'd like to learn more and you have questions about your own criminal inadmissibility questions and issues, give us a call at Ackah Business Immigration Law. We're here to help you get into Canada successfully.